Okay, I'm wrapping the boots up with a coil. I'm going to do like a transformer, so I'm going to make turns all the way up to the top of the boot. This is a very large boot, and I'm going to make coil winding turns around it all the way up, and then I'm going to attach the aluminum foundation. This is diamagnetic repulsive energy, so I'm going to add a thick aluminum foundation, which is similar to like this gauge, which is 1.8 of an inch, and this is going to be the foundation as far as the articulated shoe. Not this particular piece, but I have a piece reserved for it, and it's going under the shoe to attach to the shoe, and a complete solid state. So the aluminum would sit over it to cause the aluminum to lift up into the air. This is aluminum. The copper coil winding coils will be turned and spun around this boot. This is a foil mesh type that I have here. It is not magnetic, and here's a nickel nail bearing, for example, and it would not stick. So it sticks to there and not here. So that's aluminum, and this is copper. It's going to be wrapped around here, and the aluminum foundation, which is more of a thicker gauge, will be local at the bottom of the unit. I plan to use a low gauge aluminum sheet, which should be about this thick. This is 1.8 of an inch. It should be 1.4 of an inch. This is 3 millimeters. It should be 2 millimeters. So this is a thickness in which I want the bottom of the be, with indentations as far as gripping areas, which will be approximately about thick 1.8 of an inch for the terrain, so the bottom of the shoe, the boot. So I'm going to finish. This is using like an industrial type foil that is used for, I guess, it's used for taping. It's an adhesive foil and adhesive. It is very thick. See that gauge? So it's like 1 millimeter thick. And I'm playing it around here, and I should have powdered it with ceramic powder first before I apply it on. And then once I finish this, and I'm going to actually brush it with silicone and powder. I'm going to brush it with a silicone ceramic, like silicone with graphite in it, and plush all around it with a brush. This is similar to the way I did the gauntlet. What I did was, this is the part of the gauntlet, which is the shield part of the armor, and what I did was I added the silicone seal gray, and I added this. I had to sand it down. It was over the aluminum, and I covered the coil, so I had cooling area, and I put a small little inductor fan there, the rotary, for actually it's wrong word, and to cool the area. Even when it gets hot, so it gets hardened and hardened and hardened. It's electromagnetic. This is a synchronous transformer, and self-repulsive. The aluminum block is right there. See the aluminum, and I'm just going to sand it down to smooth out the areas. Or the boot, I'm going to apply the bottom of the boot and wrap the coils all around here, all the way up to the top. That's going to be large, like a Tesla. It's very big. So these are 40s, I believe. 40 size 40 degrees, 40 below, or type shoes, boots, and I'm going to add that to it. The framework, the metal framework, I'm going to add thereafter. So this will be under the subsystem as a metal framework. I mean the aluminum framework. So my name is Jermaine Morton.
I'ma show you how to boil. I'm a chick kid, about 35 feet, getting it ripped it from paper and sealed it from schematics and built it. Calculate my competition, my point guards in opposition. CC's and late on the crossover. Easy bait, ooh, floor, so